Welcome back, guys. Korre with Mindstarter.com here, and in this lesson we're going to continue learning about homographs, homophones, and homonyms. So let's go.
Okay, so this set of homophones kicks off with the word oar. An oar is a pole with a flat blade used to row or steer a boat. Oar. But this word or is used to link alternatives, as in coffee or tea. It's also used to introduce consequences of not doing something, as in hurry up or you'll miss the bus. Or is a conjunction. Another set of homophones is pair, pair, and pare. This man and woman are a pair of co-workers. A pair is a set of two things or two people. This is a pair of cards. Here's a pair of dice. Pair is a noun. This is a pear. A pear is a sweet yellowish green fruit that's narrow toward the stalk and wider at the base. Pair is a noun. To pare means to trim something by cutting away its outer edges. She is paring the apple. She is paring the apple. Pair is a verb.
So I hope you really enjoyed this video in our series on homonyms. Remember, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want to see more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And also, if you're really serious about learning English, come and join us at Mindstarter.com. You'll be able to practice and rehearse all of the things that you hear us talking about, not only in sentences, but in situations and conversational English. You'll be able to practice and get a score based on how close you sound like a native speaker, and you can keep practicing until you improve. So remember, for the cost of a Netflix subscription, you can join Mindstarter.com and you can take your English to the next level. So I hope to see you there. Peace.